Imagine your favorite snack, maybe Lay's, Oreo, or Coca-Cola. Now imagine someone gives you the same snack, but in a plain white packet. No name, no logo, no colors. Would you still feel the same? Probably not. That's the power of a brand, and brand management is how companies build and protect that power. What is brand management? Let's start with a famous definition. Brand management is the process of building, maintaining, and improving a brand's reputation and value in the minds of customers. In simple words, brand management is like taking care of your pet. You feed it, train it, and keep it healthy so everyone loves it. Your brand is your company's face, voice, and promise. Why is it important? Good brand management helps people remember your brand. Trust your products. Feel something special when they see your logo. Come back again and again. For example, when you see the Apple logo, you expect something cool, modern, and expensive. That's not an accident. That's brand management at work. What does a brand manager do? Brand managers are like superheroes behind the scenes. They choose brand colors, create slogans. Just do it. Nike. Make sure ads and packaging look the same. Protect the brand's image on social media and in public. They help the brand stay strong, unique, and loved. Real life example. Let's say there's a cupcake shop called Happy Bites. If every cupcake box looks different, customers get confused. But if all boxes are pink, have a cute smiling cupcake logo, and say baked with love, people remember and trust it. That's brand management in action. Here's a quote by Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. So true. If people say, wow, they're amazing, you've built a strong brand. Key elements of brand management. To manage a brand well, you need brand identity, name, logo, slogan. Brand message, what your brand stands for. Consistency, keeping the same look and tone everywhere. Customer experience, how people feel after using your product. Trust, the most important thing. Think of it like building a character in a story. You choose how they look, speak, and act so people will love and remember them. So, brand management is not just about logos, it's about feelings, trust, and memories. Good brand management is customers who stay loyal. Remember, a product is made in a factory, but a brand is made in the mind. Comment below, what's your favorite brand and why? Like, subscribe, and watch our next video.